how to edit and change inspired by on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here and click these 3 points, and now click edit profile and scroll down, click beliefs, and here we'll find inspired by, and now just type here anything you want and save it, and that's it. It's easy, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.